Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a fascinating piece of technology that promises to unlock the underwater world for exploration and filming. The 5-thruster mini underwater drone. This particular model comes in a vibrant yellow color, making it quite visible underwater, which is a practical touch. Right out of the box, its size is noticeable. Measuring in at 8.9 by 3.5 by 15 inches, it truly lives up to the mini in its name. This compact form factor means it's highly portable, easy to pack up and take with you whether you're heading to a lake, the ocean, or even a large pool. It feels robust, yet manageable, designed for easy transport and deployment. One of the headline features is undoubtedly the camera. It boasts a 4K Ultra HD camera, which is fantastic for capturing breathtaking underwater footage. Imagine the clarity and detail you can get of marine life, coral reefs, or even just the interesting textures of the seabed. For anyone interested in underwater videography or photography, having 4K resolution in such a portable device is a significant advantage. Connectivity is handled via a 100-meter tether. This tether serves a couple of crucial purposes. Firstly, it allows the drone to descend to impressive depths, up to 100 meters, opening up a vast area for exploration that would be impossible with free-swimming drones or even scuba diving in many cases. Secondly, it provides a reliable connection for data transmission and control, ensuring you maintain command even at significant distances. Maneuverability is key for any underwater vehicle, and this drone addresses that with its 5 thrusters. Having 5 thrusters, rather than the typical 4 found on many drones, provides superior control and stability. This configuration allows for precise movements in multiple directions: forward, backward, up, down, and even sideways, strafing, or rotation. This level of control is essential for navigating complex underwater environments, holding position against currents, or getting the perfect camera angle. Operating the drone is made easy with the included wireless controller. The design is intuitive, allowing users to quickly get a feel for piloting the drone and controlling the camera. The wireless aspect adds convenience, freeing you from being directly tethered to a control box on the surface. Powering the exploration is a long-lasting battery. While specific run times can vary based on usage and conditions, the promise of extended battery life means you can spend more time exploring and less time worrying about needing to recharge. The package includes the necessary components to get started, such as the remote control, screws, the battery itself, and the camera unit integrated into the drone. Batteries are indeed included, which is always a plus. Manufactured by Cellvia, this generic branded drone offers a compelling package for hobbyists, content creators, or anyone curious about exploring beneath the surface. Its combination of a high-resolution camera, deep diving capability, excellent maneuverability, and portable design makes it a versatile tool for a variety of underwater activities. Whether you're documenting marine life, inspecting underwater structures, or simply having fun exploring, this drone provides the capabilities to do so effectively. The USB connectivity is likely for data transfer or charging, adding to its practicality. Overall, it presents itself as a powerful yet accessible option for underwater exploration.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.